guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing another headband wig review. I love these things so much. They're so quick and so easy, and what a way to make a black girl's life easier, right? So this is their Kinky Curly 24-inch wig, and I just finished co-washing it and I put some product in it, and it's still damp. I don't know when it's fully gonna dry, probably about another hour or two, especially if I go outside. It'll definitely dry really fast, but it's lightweight. I actually cut one of the combs that are in the middle right here because I don't like tension, so I cut one of them out. The other two, they're like hanging on a braid, so it doesn't feel like it's too much tension on my scalp, which is awesome. So yeah, it's really versatile and everything. It's super soft. It did shed a little bit, but I think because it's so voluminous, like it really didn't matter if it sheds or not. So yeah, but I also wanted to point out that they gave a cute hair kit package when you get your wig, which I think is just so sweet of them. And I'm also wearing their lashes. I don't usually wear lashes, but these are probably one of the best lashes that I've worn before, and I don't, like I said, I don't wear them, but this makes me want to start wearing them. So in the package they put a hair clip, and they put your famous edge toothbrush and rat tail comb. They called it straw comb on here. Interesting. And then they have, you know, of course, the wig caps. I don't wear these, but I'll do it to lay down my edges. Ooh, should I have laid down? Oh no, this is okay. Anyway. And then they have their brochure. They basically have hair care instructions and just all this good stuff in here that I'm not going to read because I do my own hair. So, yeah, you can follow them. It's Celie Hair. I'm going to ask them. Yeah, anyway, overall review, I wore this wig for a photo shoot. I'm gonna insert a clip right here, and it was super cute. I didn't even define it like this. I kind of like just wet it and sort of brushed it through, and what's it called, the natural pattern when you first get the wig was still in the hair. So even still, that was cute. It gave me like a really cute tight forward look that I was looking for the photo shoot. So yeah, so I'm just gonna show you how I apply this wig, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video and join the self-love tribe, and I will see you guys in another one. Bye. Alright, what's up you guys? So I am going to be doing a cornrow free method, mainly because I didn't feel like cornrowing my hair. I really don't like that position with my fingers. It's just annoying sometimes. I like individual braiding, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm basically gonna be doing plaits all around my head. So the bottom half of my hair, I'm just gonna section it off like I'll be doing a cornrow, but in reality I will be doing a plait instead, if that makes sense. So you see here, I'm sectioning off as if I'm gonna do a cornrow, but then I'm gonna start applying some water and oil. Then I'm gonna brush my hair out, and then we're gonna create plaits. For the parts that are thicker, I just split those either into 2 or 3 braids depending on how thick they are, and that is my process for the cornrow free method wig braids.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice with time. You I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk.
Alright, so quickly I am just testing out the positioning of the wig. I know you see like this bump on the side, but this is gonna go away once I slick down my hair. So that's what it's gonna end up looking like. There's also a bump up here, but trust, when this wig fully dries, it's gonna be voluminous enough to where you can't even see those things. So just to reiterate why I braided my hair the way I did, I didn't feel like doing cornrows because I feel like my hair gets tangled fast like that. I don't know why, but I just didn't feel like that. So if you don't even know how to do cornrows, that's a cornrow free way to do your wig braids. So yeah, I put one product in this hair. It is the Moisture Miracle Curl Defining Cream. It smells really good, and the hair is still damp. I want to say it's like 75% dry. I'm gonna have to blow dry it some more. But now all I'm really gonna do, I'm not even gonna focus on this part of my hair that much because I want it to look as natural as possible. So I'm gonna do a little bit of gel right here, and then, you know, fantasize my baby hairs, and you know, we're gonna work with that. So So now we're just going to be applying our headband wig, and y'all can see me struggling a little bit because I'm a little iffy on combs. It's not my favorite way to make sure that a wig is secure because oftentimes I can feel a little bit of tension, and I don't like that at all. Like, I would rather sew my wig onto my braids rather than putting clips, but I was able to find a position that was comfortable and didn't feel like it was tugging or anything. So basically this is the wig when it's about 50% dry, and I'm just going to be doing my edges and, you know, cleaning up whatever I see needs to be fit. They also sent some headbands, but I love a neutral like black look. It goes with everything. I'm not really a pattern girl, so I just went ahead and kept the black headband that comes with it. And it was really cute. I received a lot of compliments, and I just was in love with the wig. Like, I'm wearing it right now, and it's probably been like 2 weeks since I've been actually wearing this wig. I wore it to work out, and I wore it to events, and it's just bomb. So thank you, Celie Hair. You guys are awesome, and I am just feeling this look, y'all. Thank you guys for tuning into my video, and thank you to Celie Hair for sponsoring this video and allowing me to review it. I generally do really like this hair, and it just really simple and easy for me to get on with my life. So I appreciate you guys for thinking about me to do this review for you. And if you guys have any other video suggestions, let me know. And you know, let's make some more content and make this money, y'all. See y'all later. Bye.